Hey guys, we have some packages for the Blythe dolls. These are actually packages that I won in a live Blythe auction that was, I want to say, last weekend in a Blythe Facebook group. So let's go ahead and see what goodies I won for the girls. So this is a Halloween dress with a hair tie hair tie, bandana, whatever you want to call it. But I love the cat on the dress and the fact that it said Happy Halloween. That was really cute. So I decided to place a bid and I won it. And then we got these shoes for Blythe. I'm not sure if these are original Blythe shoes or not, but I thought they were too cute to pass up. They have the slits in the back so they can come off and on very easily. And this one, let's see if I can get this open. We're gonna have to pause. My child is coming down the stairs, you guys. Be back. Okay, guys, we're back. So let's get to opening this last package from the auction. When I saw this, I fell in love with it. I love the flowers and the detail on this. It is so gorgeous. I loved it. A cute sticker. See if I can open it without ripping it. Put this on their wall. Okay. So there's the back of it. Okay. Here's the opening. So, simple jacket. If I can open this with one. Sit there, sticker. This is a hard button to open. Here we go. So there's the inside. Let's see. Yeah, Christy. I gotta see who that is. This is a very nice jacket. I like it. So that's it for the auction. I think, let's see, it's August. I think they're gonna do another auction next month in September. I just hope that I'm back from my trip before the auction happens, because I don't think I'll be able to do an auction mid-flight, but who knows. So that's it for the goodies for the Blythe dolls for now. I have a whole bunch of stuff coming, so this video will continue, guys. So until then, talk to you guys later. Hey guys, we have a quick unboxing to do. And I sort of kind of opened these early on Friday because Friday was really a miserable day for me. I had 2 back injections in my SI joint and it was torturous. So when I came home, I needed me a pick-me-up. I saw that I got these 2 packages and I went ahead and opened it. So I got these two dresses, a part of the Virtual Blythe Retreat, which is going to be September 16th, 17th, and 18th of this year. And I'll go ahead and I'll link some information in the description. But they had a goodie bag for the retreat that they're doing. And in each bag we got a different dress. So here's one dress that we got. Here's a second dress. It also came with I'm guessing this is a jewelry set or earring set. You're supposed to make a pair of earrings, possibly for your doll. Here's another earring set, since I got two goodie bags. Here's basically everything that was in the goodie bag. So this, I'm guessing, is the bracelet that you're going to make. Here's the second bracelet. Here are the two piece buttons. And here are some Blythe postcards. I don't know who I'm going to send these to, but they're really cute. So you get two in each goodie bag. So here is the shop on Etsy that I ordered the goodie bags from. There is a $10 quote-unquote virtual ticket to go to the Virtual Blythe Retreat. They're doing it on Facebook, but you can go to this Etsy shop for more information, and I'll go ahead and I'll link the video in the description also. Okay, let's open the other things that we got. This was from an auction on eBay. We thought it was lost, but it just showed up today. It's supposed to be a Blythe doll stand. So here it is. You put these two pieces in the back of her head, and this would be on the floor or the ground as a third type leg support. If you're familiar with smart dolls, you're familiar with that tripod third leg. So this is basically the same idea for a Blythe doll. So I'll go ahead and I'll try this out later on today or this weekend. And our last box is from a Etsy shop that actually does Blythe repair. She went ahead and repaired my Gia doll. I can't remember the name of her shop, but as always, I'll link everything in the description. Hello, Nosy Girl. I ordered this chair. Thought it would match perfectly with the furniture we already have in the living room. So basic orange chair. Supposedly these chairs work really well with Blythe. And I ordered two pairs of glasses. So that's it for this unboxing. I'm not sure what the time is looking like. I may add some more videos from next week, or I may wrap this up with this video with some pictures, I guess, of the girls in the chair, the glasses, and of them in the dresses from the Blythe Retreat. So that's it for now. I'm going to end, but I may add more to it. Hope you guys are having a good weekend and you guys are staying safe. keep watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. Hey guys, we have some packages that need to be unboxed, so let's go ahead and see what we have. We're going to go ahead with this one first, since this one has been here the longest. Let's see, can I do it this way? No. This is a shirt that I ordered for the Blythe dolls. So, this is the company, and I'll go ahead and I'll link them, of course, in the description. It's an adorable shirt with Frida on it. I love anything with Frida and Van Gogh. Those are my two art loves. So once I saw it, I had to get it. So a must have. So we have this adorable shirt. This is furniture from one of my favorite Etsy shops, Nan's Doll Furniture. Actually, no, Nana's. Yeah, Nana's Doll Furniture. Oh, goodness. So I wanted to get this for the Blythe's house, and it comes with this adorable plant. So I was going to go ahead and stain it and probably put the record player on top. I don't know right now. So we got this. And our last package, also from Etsy. Been waiting for this for a while. I'm glad it got here because I have a trip in less than 30 days, and I was hoping to bring at least one Blythe doll with me. I really want to take two, but I don't know. I don't think it's going to happen. Wow. And more to unwrap. Boy. Need some better scissors. Finally, it's open. So it's supposed to be a carrying case for a Blythe doll. So let's see. What does it say? Liz, Dolly. I don't know if that's a shop or not. So she fits in here. Double ribbons to keep her secure. And you can attach a purse strap to it, which is really cool. Didn't know that, so that's really nice. So this would be wonderful for my travels. But yeah, I have a trip the middle of September. I'm going out of state, and that's all I'm going to tell you guys for now. But there will be lots of videos and pictures of where I'm going. So that is it for this unboxing. I will probably take some pictures of the Frida shirt, but that's it. I think we're coming up on 20 minutes with this video, so I'm going to end it for now. As always, keep watching, take care, and I will talk to you guys later.